Hi guys, Tim here. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Right now it's summer 2020, but it's also the middle of the COVID-19 crisis. The film you're about to watch was filmed last year in 2019, and it's the Young Driver Final, where we bring together young adults as young as 10 years old up to 16 years old and let them loose in full-size cars on private land. They go through a full driving test in this video and we give them marks out of 70. It features me, Quentin Willson and Vicki Butler-Henderson. And sit back because some of the driving in this video is superb. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and also give my channel a subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now and there's loads of content on there for you to watch. And I promise as soon as the 2020 show season gets started, you'll get loads of new footage coming your way too. Stay safe and enjoy the video. Early start this morning, Birmingham NEC today to present the Young Driver Challenge, the final of the Young Driver Challenge with Quentin Willson and Vicki Butler-Henderson. I've worked with these guys before, awesome guys. First, I've got to endure about an hour and a half on the train. Although that being said, I've got the entire carriage all to myself. No. So just waiting for Matt to turn up. You all know Matt, producer Matt, he's also filming it here. If I'm right, Matty boy, shove it, there he is. It's a social Porsche. I can hear you, like from inside the station.
No, it's not.
And there we are, that's the end of the audio, because we're in Matt's Porker. This thing's too damn loud!
You need to get a mic.
I've got...
Like a...
Oh, a tie mic?
Yeah.
So that people can... So if I talk here, people will be able to hear me over your ridiculous car.
Yep. You needed at 9:05, so we've got 20 minutes.
We're here. I'm literally presenting in like 9 minutes, so let's go over there and get cracking. Matt, come on, where are you? Come on, let's go. This is the arena. This is where they're going to be doing all of their driving. We've got contestants over here. We've got car over here. Let's do it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Are you all out there? Come join. I've only got a small voice, you've got legs. Walk closer. Much better. Good morning all, how are we all doing? Okay over here, how about you guys over here? You all alright? Yeah, fine. Good, excellent. So welcome everybody to the Young Driver Challenge. This is the final. So you guys have been selected from everybody this year as some of our top drivers. Now, before we get started, I do think that deserves a very big round of applause. Congratulations to everyone here for making it here. Well done. Drivers, I don't want you to feel under pressure. The fact you are here shows that you are already well on the way to becoming a great driver. It's brilliant that you are here. Go out and enjoy yourselves today. And our top 3 drivers will win some very special prizes as well. Without any further ado, can I please ask you all to put your hands together for the one and only Quentin Willson.
Thank you very much, Tim. And as Tim quite rightly says, this is a phenomenon. We're near 750,000 lessons, 750,000 over the last 10 years. So it's a pleasure to be here. 2019, we've done how many of these already? Is it 6? And it gets better and better every year, and the standard we get really is amazing.
Right then, we're going to get down to it. So I need my hosts, Claire, Becky, Jenny, Julie and Hon. Where are you guys? Come over and join me. Ladies and gents, please put your hands together. Our very, very friendly hosts. Now, go out and enjoy yourselves. The fact you are here is absolutely superb. We wish each and every one of you the very best of luck. Thank you. guys are currently doing their tests and their exams over there. While that's going on, I want to show you around these. Yes, Route Masters. We have 2 Route Masters. This is the hub of the operation. These are proper old school. Look at this. So we've taken everything out. So we've just got nice office space where we can sit, and then up front we've still got cab all separate over there. It's brilliant. Should I sell my camper van and drive around the country in one of these? Hello guys.
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing? How old is he?
12.
Or she? 12.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Liam.
Liam. Has he done it before?
This is his 11th time doing lessons.
Is he good?
He's been really good.
When you're out with him, does he like say, I'm better driving
Yeah.
He's always judging, but he loves this. This has been great for him.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't like any sports really. He loves just loves cars and driving.
you? Man after my own heart. I was the exact same. This didn't exist when I was learning to drive, so I was all on racing sims. I was in arcades and like, ooh, 50 pence and it goes. Yeah, I'll have a go on that. So to do something like this would have been amazing. Those guys are watching the contestants. Good luck to that young man. In fact, good luck to all of them. So that was one bus. Let's have a look in the next. Now this one's got the most important people in. Biscuits and coffee. What's your name, lovely?
Lauren.
Lauren has got the most. You are the most important person here. You know that
I am.
because you look after all of this. Yeah. The entire world comes to a stop when there's not tea and coffee and biscuit. I have to say, good biscuit selection. Very good biscuits. Don't say that. War will break out. Right. Hello guys. How are you all doing?
Hello. Very well.
You guys in the corner. How old's yours?
13.
11.
13.
Do all of your kids, when you go out driving, say they're better drivers than you?
Yep.
Yes.
So all the mums and dads are hoping that their youngsters are going to be lucky winners. I have to say, the standard of driving is fantastic. Getting them used to driving a car at this age means that when they are old enough to learn to drive, yeah, they're going to be naturals at it, aren't they? What's going on behind us right now is the photos of the winners. Between first, second and third there was just 2 points, and it was so close that there was actually 2 third place winners. So just remarkable driving and absolutely amazing. So that's 10 to 13 year olds. Now we move on to our next group, which is 14 to 17 years old. Hello there, young man. You have got probably one of the best names I have ever heard in my entire life. I'm going to show the camera. Pronounce it properly for me.
Przasnyski.
Prashniski.
Not good enough.
Okay, do it again.
Przasnyski.
Prashniski. Go on, do it again.
Przasnyski.
Prashniski. Is it the R?
Yeah. Przasnyski.
Prashniski.
I'll give it to you. I'll
Yeah.
give it to you.
Prashniski.
Yeah, sure.
Prashniski. So, Makijeg? No.
Matthew.
Just Matthew.
Yeah.
That's not Matthew. Really nice little bits.
Hi Tim.
Hello. He's got my camera.
Got a challenge for you. I thought you might want it in your vlog. So you've got to announce this person's name.
I've already been set this challenge.
Can you say it?
No, and even he told me how to say it, and I can't say it.
Oh no. No, you're going to try it, and then I'm going to try it. So
I
here we go.
like this idea. Should we get Vicky on this as well? All 3 of us.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, Makijeg. Shut up! You're going to have a go at this. Makijeg Krasniki.
Przasnyski.
Now, you've been told how to pronounce it
Yeah.
already. Okay. Makijej Przasnyski.
Przasnyski.
I even had the foreign twang.
It did!
Apparently that's
From
Matthew.
Chiswick
Come on then.
in London.
I'd probably say, yeah, Makajic. It could be a silent P. Ryzansky.
Przasnyski.
Rosansky, that's pathetic.
No?
Why would there be a silent P with an R next to it? Brr. Come on,
Good,
boy.
isn't he? He's good.
Come on, you can do it.
Ryzansky.
Przasnyski.
For the record, we need to say that there's nothing wrong with this name. It's
No.
just a trial for us.
For a
My
Presenter.
excuse is that I'm from Wolverhampton. Vicky, can you say this name?
No.
Could you at least try for us?
Please try.
Massage.
That's the first. Yeah, no, she could be right. Come on.
Przasnyski.
Przasnyski.
Make it.
I tell you what,
Brzezinski.
right? If you were on countdown now, that'd be an all-time high score, that, wouldn't it? You've been involved with young driving now for how long?
10 years.
10 years.
All
Why?
my children have gone through it.
Have they?
Yeah. My 27-year-old daughter did it. My 21-year-old son, who's filming this now, did it. And you do 10,000 miles a year, and he hasn't even curved an alloy wheel. And my 14-year-old daughter has been doing it since 11.
And what's the feedback been from them?
Absolutely. Tremendous, because it just makes them more confident and makes them more able, and they all did well on their driving tests, and they all continue to drive in a really skillful way. That's what it's all about.
I think for me there's two things that stick out from this. One, we're car lovers, yeah, we love cars. There are so many younger generation out there that just don't get the idea of a car because it's expensive to buy, expensive to insure, expensive to learn and stuff, but this spreads it out, and it's a skill that employers look for.
Look, it's really important, and this kind of misnomer that not enough people are taking driving tests. They didn't in the recession, and it went down to about 1.4, but the latest stats I saw the other day, it's up to 1.7 million, which is where it was before, so they're not going down.
But I think the biggest thing that stood out to me from being here at this event, the single biggest thing, is every single person I spoke to, parents, kids, have all said the difference it's made in their confidence. And I think at this age, confidence, it affected me massively. I had absolutely no confidence.
And if you're not academic at school, this is something that's very important. And we've got kids here who have got special needs, and when you can show them that they too can drive a car and sometimes have a better spatial awareness skill than normal kids, it really helps them along.
Next year,
Here, here's a promise. We are going to do it first before the kids, and the shamefully low scores will mean we'll all have to go on a young driver course.
I'm in.
I'm in. Vicky.
Okay, so all three of us are doing this. So not only are we going to see if we can beat the kids, but it'll be a competition.
If we could
between
even
all
come
three.
close to the kids' scores.
Exactly.
I
If
know.
we get double figures, that would be like quite
65
useful.
out of 70. I'm worried.
Ladies and gentlemen, please all do come and join. Come gather. You don't have to stand that far away. It's the same price to stand wherever. It's not tiered seating. Before we start, could I ask you all please just to give a huge round of applause to absolutely everybody here, all of the instructors, the organisers. I think a superb day. Thank you all so much. Now, I have to say the standard of driving has been nothing short of exemplary. It's been fantastic, and I don't say that lightly. I was expecting it to be good, but not this good, okay? And I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on. I dare say some of you are better drivers than the mum and dad and grandparents who brought you here today. I dare say that.
Nervous laughter.
It's a great pleasure to be here and to see such passion, such enthusiasm and such determination. And also, as Tim said, the standards, I've just seen the scores, mind-blowingly good. And I don't know what it is about this year, but we've really seen an increase in skills, scoring, abilities, and I think just tenacity and dedication. You're going to tell us a bit later about this old thing about gender and driving, aren't you?
Yes, I am. I shall leave you in suspense until then.
You know, women drivers versus men drivers. We'll just put that one and park it, if you'll pardon the pun, and talk about it later. But really impressed and humbled to be here, because what you're displaying, your hard work and your determination, really is the thing that's going to make you the drivers of the future, and to set an example to your friends, to your contemporaries, to your peers, and possibly your parents too, what driving skills are all about.
Our top three drivers were so close. I mean, properly close. And we have seen the best score we have ever seen on one of these events. And I mean that. They lost 1 point. So 69 out of 70. It is by far the best score we've ever had. So this afternoon's session was truly remarkable. We've got first, second and third behind us over here. First place lost 1 point. 69 out of 70. She's 16. Absolutely incredible. And the two women, the two winners, both female. What do you say to that? Come on. They say women drivers have got a reputation.
I don't think so.
Here you are. We have the data, we have the proof, we have the scores. I think it's an amazing achievement.
Yeah.
69 out of 70, 67 out of 70.
Well done. You all did brilliantly. Us three have got pressure now. Well done,
Work
guys.
to do.
We have. So amazing. Absolutely incredible. Top drivers, both of them women. Fantastic. Absolutely superb. Young driver. I'll be honest, I didn't know much about it before I did this video and before I came to this event, and I think what the guys have created here is something truly brilliant. We are putting kids in cars when they're at the right age to start learning, when they're not having to deal with, you know, all of the hormones and all of the stuff that goes on in life when you're 16, 17, 18 years old, when you just want to get behind the wheel of a car and you're rushing things and not really paying attention. You've got no pressure and no time limit, and it just spreads it out and embeds those skills in, so when you do have your lessons you can concentrate what's going on around you rather than what's actually going on inside the car. So yeah, it's got my vote. Please do go and check out Young Driver. I'll put a link in the description below, but as always, please do have very safe travels. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe and check out my channel where there are loads of more videos from events all over the UK. Thanks for watching.